What's going on, world? This is Bryan coming back with a new app that's going to pay you some quick and easy referral commissions just for referring people to download this app.
But first,
They said I need an intro.
let's go.
Create an account and link their email and phone number. So this is a bank card app. They send you out a bank card, and you get access to a virtual card. You could use either one. The virtual card gets sent to you as soon as you activate your account, and you can use that. And when the physical card comes, you can use that, so you'll be able to use both cards. So I'm going to go over the app and show you how easy it is to make some money. All right, so once you sign up, the first screen, I already ordered my card, so right there it says activate your card, and I already referred one person just to test it out, and I got $1 there. If you come down to the $sign, that's where you can link a bank source. I didn't link any bank accounts or anything. I just want to do the referral commission thing. So that's what I'm going to use this for, as another source of referral commission, and spend that money on other online programs. So when you come to the notification, the bell, that's where you'll get the notifications when people use your link to sign up. And that's what I will use to see who signs up to me. At the end of this video, you're going to see a list of incentives and bonuses that you get if you decide to join this app using my referral link. I'll have a email form on a website where you can claim your gifts, and the name that you enter into the email field is the name I'm going to check on this app to see if you really signed up. Once I can cross check that, then I'll email you a link to get your gifts. All right, you go to the little the profile icon. That's where you can see your bank account numbers. So this is like a bank account. That's where you can see a routing and account number. And here down here at the bottoms where it says earn $1 for every invite, let's let you know about the referral program. Get $1 for every friend who joins. No fine print. Get money as soon as they sign up. You'll get $1 immediately after your friend signs up with their name and phone number. And when you click share link, it's going to open up your contact list. So I'm not going to do that now. So what I did to get my link, I sent a text message to myself just to see my referral link, and then I copied that link, and then you can put it on social media or send it to whoever you want. Let me show you where you get your, let me see. You go to card settings. I'm not going to click it, but at the top where it says virtual card, that's where you can see your virtual card. If you want to spend your referral money online, you'll have your card number, expiration date, and your 3-digit security number. So just like Cash App has the virtual card number. So I'm going to have fun with this app. And the options you're going to receive when you go to create an account, there's going to be an option to create a basic checking account and one to create a teen account. So I chose basic checking. So if you choose teen, they may have different options I'm not aware of, but basic checking is the one I chose. I don't have any fees. I don't remember seeing any fees or anything like that. So if you want to do what I did, just click basic checking if you're here just for the referral commissions. So that's pretty much it. Use the link to sign up, and stay tuned to see your bonuses. All right, here goes the list of benefits you get when you sign up using my link today. To receive the benefit, you must be a USA resident. So the first benefit you get, a 7-inch Wi-Fi Android tablet, premium sound Bluetooth speaker, touch MP4 player a premium earbuds with built-in mic. You also get a premium smart fitness watch, the UV smartphone sanitizer, professional home laser teeth whitening system, free healthcare discount card. You get $500 off at thousands of participating restaurants, $100 off of wine if you drink wine, airfare and hotel vacation getaway. You get a 1-night hotel stay, a 2-night hotel stay, 3-night hotel stay, 4 nights hotel stay. Discount savings membership. You get a 7-night resort to condos or a resort. You can choose from 3,500 or more locations. 4-night luxury resort Mexico getaway, 2-night Bahama cruise, and you also get a 1 to 4 night Las Vegas hotel stay. So none of these require a timeshare or a sales presentation. Once you fill out the form, after you fill out the form, and I'll send you the link to get all of these gifts. I'm with a program that gives me unlimited access to these benefits, and I give them away to people when they join me in different programs. You'll receive information about that as well if you would like to also be able to give away these incentives. But so far, this is the list of gifts you get. The program consistently adds more gifts to that list, so this list will grow. But that's it for now, and enjoy your gifts. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video about making money. All right, see you guys later.